Homemade water purifier, one stage iron removal. For this reason, we need one piece PP housing. The hole of in and out is half inches. The one stage iron removal PP housing should be clear. Clear PP housing, because the sediment filter which inside this PP housing should be watched or noticed after 15 days. PP housing hole should be half inches, because if you took half inches PP housing, then it will be run through over any tap or any pipe. To build one stage iron removal, we need one PP housing, one sediment filter, one piece connecting pipe, 2-piece GI nipple, and one thread tap. It is not essential, but you can take one. Now let's watch about PP housing. PP housing is one kind of filter that remove dust, iron from water. This is 5 micron PP sediment filter. After 4 months it should be changed. For this reason, you need 4 PP sediment filter for 1 year. This is 50 taka in Bangladesh. And here is a hole, and here is a hole. This will be set inside the PP housing. This is 2-piece GI nipple. It is half inches, and this is very cheap. This is connecting pipe. You need 1 piece or more piece connecting pipe. As you need, you should buy it. So how many pieces connecting pipe need is your decision. This is 80 taka in Bangladesh. It is 24 inches. At first, take the PP housing and 2 nipple, connect them on the head of the PP housing. Left GI nipple should be left and right GI nipple should be on right. Before that, we should take the thread tap and prepare the nipple before finishing it on the head of PP housing. We should binding the thread tap on the neck of the nipple. This is male nipple. Remember, the water which we use in kitchen, lots of iron, dust are on the tap of water supply company. For this reason, we should build this one stage iron removal water purifier in the kitchen. The GNFL should be connected very tightly, otherwise water will be come out by one drop and one drop. Let's take the sediment filter, and it should be set or put inside the PP housing. Before doing that, we should look out the head. Is there any dust or any dirt? Let's took the sediment filter, and it should be set or put inside the PP housing. Then we should tight the cap or head. Head should be tight with the PP housing body. Let's take the connecting pipe. Connecting pipe has different size: 24 inches, 36 inches or 48 inches. You can take more inches as you need. This connecting pipe should be joined with the head of nipple in any one side. I want to connect it the inside, because water goes through this pipe to this PP housing. Okay, everything is fine. Now let's go to the main project. This is the total connection of homemade iron removal one stage water purifier. Let's watch the tap. Main point, water is come out to the PP housing and one is gone to the water tap. This water we use for washing fruits, vegetables and kitchen appliance items, but this water goes through to the PP housing water filter. In this way the water goes inside the PP housing, and after filtering it goes through to the tap. And let's watch the tap, how much water came through this tap. Water is pure and clean. Both the tap will supply water, but lower is iron rich water and the upper is iron removal water. This is one stage iron removal water purifier. I hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching.